I don't want to get too close. What if it blows up? That's the gas station. Oh wow, how'd they do that? Okay, we should stay back. Fireworks. It's the start of a fresh week, Pirate. We are here Monday morning. It's 5 in the morning, and we are starting trailer load number 1 of 3 full trailers coming here to Stockton. Yep. We are here. What do we have at the back? We have the start of the 10 by 10. We have the whole, no, that's a 10 by 15. 10 by 10 up there for a 1300. And then what is here in the front is, oh, the little woman's $260 storage. We are here. Just go into, what's this for?
It's right there.
Oh, you found it? Oh, sweet. $2, Uncle Michael. I don't want to get too close. What if it blows up? That's the gas station. Is it? That's not good. Huh? Oh, that's bad if the gas station explodes. So here we are at the flea market and the gas station's on fire. Big time. I don't want to get any closer. I don't know. I don't want to get too close. I'm afraid it's going to blow up. That's the gas station. Yeah. That was what? The propane tank?
Oh yeah, it's a motorhome. It's a motorhome.
Oh wow, I hope they're all right and not in it. Oh wow, how'd they do that? How'd they do that? Okay, we should stay back. Fireworks. And yeah.
Both of us for the day.
What's funny is this is just normal in Stockton. They don't even send the cops or nothing. It's just, oh, another fire. Let's go put it out real quick. I just hope the people are not in there.
Me too.
It doesn't matter where they are, who they are. I just hope they're not in there right now. All right, time to go back to work. There's always a fire near this flea market. That though right there is the closest I've seen one. Luckily it didn't explode. I thought it was the gas station, but
how much is it?
30. I'll put it on, take it to Alameda.
Yeah. ¿Esto cuánto vale?
Without the stuff? No, let's say $20.
Español.
20.
20.
Sí.
¿Y esta mesita?
30 for just this one. Maybe not. Uncle Michael, the 10. 25. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, you made this one. That's right.
I didn't make this.
Yes, you did. You don't remember putting that in a box and I asked you, why are you doing that? It's a box and you put the box in the box. He doesn't remember, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, ornaments, that's right. Christmas.
I'm like a ninja out here in my new masks. The market's looking dead already. We can see no one out here again on a Monday. That's why we've been ourselves thinking how we're going to transition into getting rid of the 95% without having to come to this place all the time, because it's on the down here. Anyway, we're going to keep unloading. We're almost there. We picked up another helper this morning towards halfway done because hey, the guys just they're not the most efficient. They're both a little older, so they're wearing down in speed. I hope you guys are listening. That's Uncle Michael and Tony. So we had to pick up another guy, so now we have 3. You don't take people's stuff and do that without unscrewing the thing.
Don't listen to this guy.
9:30, Alex showed up, guys.
Oh, all of a sudden somebody wakes up early for the market.
Yeah, somebody show up on time.
Mask you're wearing there.
It is.
How much in a duffel bag?
As long as it goes in the bag, and yeah, as long as it goes in a bag we're looking in. That bag there, despite it being complete garbage, I want $3. Just make sure it doesn't go in her pocket, and it goes in a... Uncle Michael, a couple more pricing mistakes like that DVD one, I'm gonna have to let you go. All right, that's like your 3rd write-up this week. We're gonna have to cut you off maybe soon.
That's all right.
The reality is it's all jokes. I don't think either one of us ever take anything really seriously. It's just non-stop jokes. Everybody thinks we're serious. I get so many comments like, "You're just so mean to Uncle Michael. I can't believe you said that to him." Da, da, da. It's just, this has been going on for a good 30 years or so.
Saving this?
No, we're not saving that one. I'd say it's a good 10 bucks. Why, are you trying to make aisles in your garage now too?
No.
You actually should. You should make another one like from your chair that goes in like an L shape, and then you have like an aisle, and then you still leave your place in the center. There's no room. There's no room. You have the living room.
All I need is a rocking chair.
You have the backyard on the patio.
But then I can't work while I watch.
You weren't gonna do both. You
Last night
don't have it in you.
I was gonna watch football and make ads, but I couldn't because I had no TV.
So you watch football. Yeah, you're full of crap. Sometimes in life you have to just tell people how it is and call them out and make sure their excuses.
You missed the best game last night.
I did? Yeah, we lost, right?
Yeah.
That is not the best game when your team loses.
Good game.
No. Who is a good thing we got extra help today? We never got unloaded.
There's one more in here.
Like this?
Just like.
I don't think it's in as good shape though. That one is 10. This is what Uncle Michael's gonna look like when I get done with him.
You rip his arm off.
Uncle Michael, this is what you're gonna look like when I get done with you.
Yeah, sure. What? Simpson?
Marge.
Marge.
Ugh. Yeah, I don't know, but just smear him right there. No?
Throw something in the smokes.
Yeah, I just wanted you to tackle him.
You see
the one where they put a chain on there?
Oh yeah,
They put like a little thin wire on there.
That would have been good for my.
And they put it in the bike, and just leave it there.
They go so far in it.
Yeah.
That would have been a good video if you would have tackled him. Man, steals. Alex, catch. It's a frisbee. Come on.
That would have been good on the beach.
I never can understand why we always leave so many things off to the side and we don't just throw it out here. All right, guys, we are all unloaded. Look at that. Oh my gosh. We even got storage stock over there in yonder. 3 units. Trailer's all done, empty, cleaned up. Got my little relaxing chair there so I could do my work, and it is 7:40 in the morning. Cool items we have set aside. This piece we can probably undo. People can't even see this. Huh?
Una bolsa,
Yeah.
please.
That right there is going home or back to storage. And so is the other piece, and that's what we sell. Those are our high dollar pieces here. I'm wanting 200 on that
I don't know if I
and 200 on this.
Here you go, honey.
And then I have this for 100 and this for 25 and 25. That's my good items. And the rest is just stuff. It's 10 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, cruising the streets.
So what?
Yeah.
Another half hour, then $1?
I'm singing a song.
Oh.
You never heard that song again? No, but it is time. I got a lot to do today.
Oh, you gotta get.
Well, my other trailer got fixed yesterday.
Right.
And we didn't have lug nuts. The guy put them on, like took some off the other rims. And turns out my spare tire is a different size, and I need another rim, so I need to get that all lined up so I can drive that trailer around. And that's important. Ooh, yeah, it's just picking up. Look at it. Woo! Crazy! It's time. I need to alleviate it all. The only thing I want to put away is that pot thing right there. So what? Alex never made me a video earlier of it being in a wardrobe.
Anybody see Alex?
The chicken. He's right there. I sold 4 of his things for $4, and I kept his $4 because I had to do the work.
He went shopping.
Yeah. All right, we are going free. We are free. Right? You said free? Rico, did you bring me a blower? Yeah. A big yard decor blower.
Said he was going to keep that jacket right there.
Oh, I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
He's gonna take over?
Yeah, I don't know why he didn't.
No, I'm talking.
It's like he got scared. I was trying to hint to that, but
No, he doesn't want to do garbage anymore.
come on, Uncle Michael.
That's the one his shoes.
Gratis! New shoe? Oh, he got the new one. Oh, he went from shop, what is it, shop teacher to PE teacher.
Yeah.
Garbage?
Everything is free, 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 free.
Free shirts, free clothes in the box, free clothes.
All right, my booth is cleaned up. We're all done, ready to go to the dumps. We got that for the trash and a little bit of keep. The booth is swept. It's a Monday afternoon.
Intro.
Week has just begun. All right, now we're back here at one of our favorite places, the Stockton landfill. I would like to know how many millions of pounds I've probably thrown away at this place. We are done with the dumps. I'm gonna go on and take care of my other tasks, but $61.86 after disposing and liquidating 3 storages. I'll count my total in a minute, but I know I did not get my money back.